Karibu sana mwiroreri thini wa gicunji gia gatatu kana part 3. We are looking at the qualities a woman wants in a man. Part 3 ama gicunji gia gatatu, we are talking of the quality of an ox, kana muhiano wa ndigiri. Thiria Johana onaga muhiano wa Kristo, rimwe akoneka hana muruthi, ringi akoneka hana anigo, no onekire the face of an ox. This symbolizes strength and hard work. Those who come from western part of our nation Kenya, they know ama Ukambani wanajua kwamba the oxes are used for plowing or digging the land, na they are good in strength. A man needs to be a powerful person, na mundu wina hinya, na mundu Ngai akumbite wi mundu wina hinya, uhana oro ndego. Mundu no akue kagoto, no akore mahiga kware, mundu no athiana nduthi ukono hete murigo na nginya ndaroneka. Mundu umagara oguo bebe koragwo muhingukiire oguo, tiga mundu muguta uraragiria ciana ciake. Let me tell you, man, you are created special. Mutumia waku no imagare arimo ni gwetha mutu agicoka hwaini, but once a man auma thini wa nyumba yake oguo with faith and a hard working man, tiga ria thiko ici wiraona ori moti TV ni kumachana na guthie wengi. I'm talking of a hard working man, a person who I can compare with an ox. Drashagora, I can go and do mjengo, ninaweza enda nifanye car wash, I can go and do that odd job whether I am educated or not. I can do this odd job waiting for the white collar job to come or for that opportunity to appear. But before the opportunity appears, ekira hinya, ekira muraugigo. Don't be ashamed of going to that job, because a woman is looking for a man, not who stays there looking good and special and important. A woman is looking for a person who can say, regardless of what I have to go through, I have to provide for my family. You must clothe yourself with the strength of an ox. Jesu akioneka ali na hinya tawa ndegwa. Now it takes strength to do something. It takes a strong man to do something, to deliver his family. It takes a strong man to develop his family. No kinya mundu ukorwo wikirite hinya tawa ndegwa nigetha ote gwika maundu kana gucenjia maundu ma kurigiciririe. We have so many challenges. I'm a man, I know. Unagojewa kwako nyumbani, unagojewa na watoto, mother-in-law anakugoja, father-in-law, sisters-in-law, brothers-in-law, your father, your dad, your sisters, all of them, including the nation. All things are waiting for the man to change. And I want to say this to you, man, that if not the men who are going to change the nation, kana tiaru begusubeko ni mathina matu na mabũrũri-inĩ, mathina matu na makanitha-inĩ, mathina matu na mo in the society, agoti mundu me okonile okumanina, mathina macio no njene kuga they are there to stay. I wonder sometimes rĩrĩa ngona atumia maigũrĩte kanitha, there like 80% or 85% of the members in the church are women. No ngoragwo ngĩmenya something is wanting, because this woman, there is no day will come to now that one will never happen. I'm not saying they are weak, but I'm saying Gaia kiumba with mundume enanya ukira mutumia kwa sababu ya majukumu ambayo mwanaume anafaa kutekeleza. So I'm calling upon every man, wekire hinya ta ndegwa, menya wewe ndegwa, you know gucie murao muthenya na hoino uthugatahe na murao ucio ucino rokere ngoro ucino ike urungi ni tondu wa go make sure that whatever that you want to achieve is done. And because God has given you that strength, use it like an ox. Tiga kunoga wikire hinya, wake up and do something. Atumia nimendete mundu wikio, atumia nimendete mundu hard working. Women are looking for a man who is hard working. Ni mundu wina mishoro, mundu wina plans, mundu urachieve kindu, mundu urathia handu, mundu urahuthira hinya wake, not mundu wa gutinda gwitereire ati maundu merehe kana an opportune time to come women are looking for a man who can use his strength like a ox and do something good and something better from their lives. Kwa hivyo, as you continue to live human, we kile hinya tadewa, know that you are not. Just like kile eno you are a nox. And if he did not appear like that, the task that was ahead of him was so big, he could not accomplish it without fixing or clothing himself with that strength of an ox. Jesu araga kihoya, Jesu aturaga thiaga, Jesu aturaga ekaga maundu, aturaga bara iria solvaga problems, ahonokagia andu, ariukagia andu. This is the strength that you need as a man, day in, day out. Day and night, you need to have a strength of an ox. Nigga what to achieve what God wants you to achieve. Kwa hivyo, we are heading to the fourth part. Mungu akubariki na kutendee mema as you continue to subscribe, like, comment and share. Mungu akubariki sana.